stopping. No, this is a consolation. So it's like quarterfinal.
Time to automatically pop up.
Yo, do we stop the consolation?
No, keep going.
Okay.
Yeah.
Quarterfinal. Angel Juarez and Juarez Molina. Oh, where do you? I think out there to the
continuation of the.
Oh, I
Have you guys seen where they go down?
What's your name? Let me see your bracelet. We'll wait to see if we can find. Oh, here, I'll just chat Angel Juarez. Wait.
14, right?
Where's he from? Team Extreme?
Go ahead.
Oh, he's right here. Hello. You'll be green and you'll be red. I was about to you have to tell head table I got you, head table, I got you.
Oh, that's for the head table?
Yeah, because if they don't show up in I give them around a minute and then they don't show up, then then we send it. Yeah, then they announce it. That always happens. No, even high school isn't this big or whatever. I wish we did that. Because normally for high school students, I know that we're always just going around the area and being Angel Juarez. Another. Dang, that girl was kids are already watching their competition. Yeah. That's what this kid's saying. He's I'm going to watch this person because I'm not supposed to. Hello? Mom? I'm at the tournament right now. I'm pretty sure I might end around 3 or 4. I don't know when it's supposed to end. No, we're gonna get fed soon though, because they have to give us food if we're working tables. They're gonna feed us, or we might have to buy food, but they have concessions here. Yes. Love you too. You were asleep. Sorry, Mom. You look so peaceful sleeping though, Mom.
Lock that noise,
Love you too. Bye. Get out.
Get the leg and drive! Don't let him go! Do not let him go! Don't let him go! Get the leg! There! Step in! Hey!
His shoe came off.
You win!
Overtime. Our first overtime match. First takedown. Now he's tired. That's how you know, because they put their hands on their knees. I remember one time I did that and my coach got so mad at me. He was like, oh my gosh, that was almost a takedown. Dang. Oh my gosh. If he would have popped his head out, it would have been.
So it's going to be 2 30-second overtimes. Red's going to get points first, and they can only choose top, bottom, or defer. Whoever's winning after that wins. If nobody's winning after that, then we go to a sudden dead top, bottom.
Okay.
I'll explain it as we go. So there's 2 30-second.
2 30. It's already set. They already have it set like that. This is different. This is different than high school. This is different than high school. But whoever's winning at the end of this, I guess. No, for high school, each person gets to choose like green and red, and they choose a spot. No, it's the same as high school. It's 2 30-second things for both green and red. Like green gets 30 seconds and then red gets 30 seconds. And then after that, whoever wins. It is the same as high school. But honestly, normally someone is scored by now. So if he gets the state, he'll probably. This is going on. Okay. Dang. I've never been in a match where it went this far. Yeah, no, it's whoever gets, I think. They're getting break though, at least.
Third overtime, it's going to be 30 seconds. The rest of this, I got one.
He flips the coin. Red, he put his red shoes. Chooses top. Yeah, see, double overtime. Yeah, it's 30 seconds, so I would just please come.
Going to that part of the match again. The last overtime is just at the point. He wins.
Oh!